I get a lot of questions about primer when I talk to groups of women. What is the right kind for them, and does one size fit all? There are some wonderful, all-encompassing primers out there, but if you're looking for one with a specific purpose for you, then you're in the right place. We're gonna go over how a primer can help depending on your skin type. First off, anyone who has ever read any of my articles on primewoman.com over the years has hopefully had it drilled into their memory to moisturize twice a day and wear sunscreen. Moisturize, moisturize, moisturize. We need to moisturize right before we do makeup, under eyes, everywhere. When our canvases are happy, our makeup is happy too. Applying primer is the last step you take before starting your makeup. As the layer between your skin and your makeup, it makes sure everything stays put throughout the day. We are too busy taking over the world to powder our noses or check our lipsticks. So let's let that primer take care of all of this for us and find out what the right choice is for you. Some ladies have oilier skin or just combination skin with an oilier T-zone. This is kind of a blessing and a curse, right? You feel like sometimes you're chasing your makeup all around your face, but on the other hand, the more oil your skin produces, the less wrinkles you're likely to get. So all the non-Sahara ladies can really benefit from a primer. Something to help keep the sebaceousness at bay is IT Cosmetics' Your Skin But Better Oil-Free Makeup Gripping Base Primer. Normally for a mature woman, I suggest a natural dewy finish, but when you've always had a problem controlling those oil glands, that probably sounds like a small form of torture for you. This product is great because it helps everything stay in place and not slide around while still helping to maintain that matte finish throughout the day. This is perfect if you put it on your T-zone and feather it out. It is not even necessary to put it on your entire face, just your trouble spots. Just your T-zone right here. If you feel like you need a little more insurance, Lime Life by Alcone has an awesome Oil Strike oil-free setting spray that you spritz on after doing all of your makeup. This just sets everything and puts it on a double lockdown. Many women who have oilier complexions can also have the problem of larger pores. When we get older, our bodies cannot create collagen as readily, and our skin loses the elasticity that bridged all those gaps. Hence, wrinkles and just a general sagging of the skin. The science of gravity and the sebaceous glands really like to pull one over on us by stretching out those pores. So there are special primers just for that as well. Benefits, the Professional being one of my absolute favorites. This gives you an awesome airbrush look and seeps into all those little pores and gets you super smooth. Also, Dr. Brandt Pores No More Pore Refiner Primer does the same trick and will not clog pores at all. We have enough to worry about, right? So let's let our makeup do all the work. While some of us want to dry it out, some of us need moisture. Even moisturizing multiple times a day just won't do it. And that's why a hydrating primer can be so wonderful. It is really easy to find a hydrating primer that can still give you the finish you want, whether it's a dewier look like the Laura Mercier Hydrating Foundation Primer or the matte finish like the Dermalogica Hydro Blur Primer. These are both amazing and can keep your skin from being too thirsty while giving you the finish you need. There are also primers that can color correct by evening out your skin tone while holding your makeup in place. If you suffer from rosacea, acne, or just a reddier complexion, use a green tinted primer. Or if you want to just brighten up your skin's undertone, a pink primer might be the right one for you. Makeup Forever has really figured out the science of color in their makeup, and they are my go-to line for things like this. Smashbox also has some great options for a primer with a little bit of a tint to it. Now for my favorite primer. This little beauty keeps everything in place while adding an amazing ethereal glow. The Becca Backlight Priming Face Filter is the bee's knees. This is for ladies who want to have a little bit of extra oomph in their makeup. You can either put it on before your foundation or mix it in directly to your liquid foundation. It's simple, it's gorgeous, and it's great if you're just looking for a generalized primer. I hope you found a face primer that works for you today. There are so many other types of primer out there too. Everything from eyeshadow and eyelash primer to help your eye makeup from creasing and traveling, to lipstick primers that keep your lip color from being eaten off or bleeding. There truly is a product out there for whatever problem you might be facing with your makeup. Also, if you find a face primer you absolutely love, you can just pop some on top of your moisturizer and head out for the day without foundation. Thank you so much for watching Prime Women's Guide to Beauty. If you liked this video, click the like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe to our channel and click the bell to get notifications when we upload a new video. And you can always catch us at primewomen.com. See you next time.